Hi folks, it's been a long time coming, but we have a big reveal today.
We bought a new property.
Yeah, you could look back almost a year to a future planning video we put together, and we talked about all the different things that we needed to consider moving into our future. We talked about how we needed a new truck. We talked about how we needed more shed. All of this to facilitate growing a little bit in our business and with our YouTube channel as well. It takes a long time to accomplish all this stuff, guys. It's not like it is on TV where the very next episode everything is solved.
No, it took us almost 9 months to really find the right property. Looking and
we have spent a lot of time, looked at a lot of houses,
yeah.
And this is what we've come up with. We'll show you around. So this is our front yard.
This is a pond.
Well,
this isn't a front yard.
It's a front pond?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it looks more like a skating rink today.
Yeah. I'm not gonna try it.
So what we see here is indeed a pond, but not a very attractive pond.
No.
And I think most of the people who were shopping for this house saw that as well. The thing is, we see it as an opportunity.
We can dig.
So we've got a couple choices here we need to make in the longer term. We need to figure out whether we want to fill this pond in with the berm that's over there. I think that berm originally came out of this area, so it used to just all be flat here. Someone dug this out, made a pond, and piled the dirt from it up there.
Leave us a comment what you think we should do with it. Dig it out or fill it in.
We're either going to fill it in or we're going to dig it out and make it look nicer. So those are the two choices. We're not sure yet. We realized we didn't have to decide that today.
Good, it's kind of cold.
Yeah, it's too cold to decide that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Property goes over to, you might be able to see the driveway over there, and then there's a line of evergreen trees over there, just is the far property line. On this side, there's a soybean field that is the property line right over there. On the other side of these cattails, there's still some grass and then soybean field. I'll turn around this way. And that soybean field right there is the property line.
Lots of things for us to clean up.
Yeah.
There's lots of areas that's been overgrown, I guess, around trees and stuff that I want to clean out. And
yeah,
lots of Johnny projects.
Yeah, lots of Johnny projects. There's along the edges here, the previous owner had left it pretty rough.
Yeah.
And I see the point of that. We may have a little debate coming up.
Okay. I always win, right?
She always wins, so there's not going to be much debate. Sounds like we're going to be cleaning up the edges.
We'll talk about it.
See, that's how I win.
Well, we have a fire pit. We also have a golf hole. What do you call that? A tee? I don't know. I'm not a golfer.
Neither am I, so we probably won't have it for long.
Okay.
This is a nice looking fire pit. They've done a great job with that.
Yeah. Kind of wish there was a fire right now.
We could probably have one in a few minutes. They left us some wood.
Yeah.
Looks like there's a horseshoe pit back here too.
This is going to be terrible.
Well, you'll have to step.
Oh, that was terrible.
She got a little more than halfway.
Yeah. Oh, a lot better than me.
Heading on back here, guys, there's 4.5 acres of woods. The same width as what we've shown you up here. We're about halfway back on the property right here, and the other half is woods.
There's a couple of paths already in there, but
yeah,
we could make some more.
I think there may be moles. We're gonna have to take care of that.
We need a grapple. Oh, you got a grapple. We just need it in here.
I think the previous owner just planted this seed in here recently, and it's getting a really good start.
Yeah.
Gonna have a nice grass trail in here, I believe. We'll have to get these leaves off of here, Chris. Oh, look, there's pumpkins.
Yeah.
Now, how are these pumpkins growing in here?
The seller put them there.
Oh.
To mark the trail. All the ice is melting off the tree.
It makes it seem like it's raining in here.
We had an ice storm yesterday, and it's just melting. There's several trees that are dead, like that one, that probably need to come down.
Well, we can walk on around.
Oh, isn't this so romantic?
It sure is.
Out here on our new trail.
Folks, we want to thank you for staying with us through this journey. It's been a lot of fun for us to you know, to be thinking about and pondering about what we're going to be doing for the future. And you know, this is kind of a new step for us.
Yeah. Well, back when we were thinking about the larger tractor, about that time along came Vinny, the Ventrac.
Yeah.
And we realized that, well, our garages are all full. We just didn't have room for a larger tractor.
We didn't have room to store a larger trailer, a larger tractor, anything. We didn't have outside space. We didn't have storage space. There really was not much flexibility in where we were living. Now, having said that, we are going to greatly miss that neighborhood.
Yeah.
We really enjoy our neighbors. We're not loner type people, as you guys have, I'm sure, deduced. So it's not like we're trying to get away from folks.
We're hoping that neighbor Jimmy will still do some things with him, or he'll come out here and do some stuff with us, because he likes machinery about like you do.
I think he does. Well, I don't think you mind it.
No, I don't.
So the trail loops back here, and the property line is right out there. There's a kind of a big tree over there that's pretty much on the edge. Now this woods goes further that way than our property line. So there's an adjoining, the next property over also probably has about 4 acres of woods. It's a lot more space than we had before.
That's for sure. From a half acre, not quite a half acre, to 10 acres.
Yeah.
Big jump.
That'd be a good tree for a tree house right there.
Yeah.
Katrina was wanting a tree house.
Yeah. We're moving away from Carmel.
Yeah.
We're about 25 minutes from our Carmel house.
We're
in
now
a different town,
Yep.
so new adventure for all of that.
We're about 2 miles from Lebanon, Indiana.
Which is kind of fun, I think. We get to find new restaurants, and there is a Menards close by.
Save big money, we'll save big money when you shop Menards.
Because we're usually there frequently.
We'll probably be shopping more Menards because we've got a whole new list of honey-do home projects to work on.
Right, yeah. We think we'll still be able to do projects in basically the same areas, though, because we're really not that far to get to several areas where we've already had clients.
We're close to the interstate. We're not that far from, you know, the Hamilton County area where we worked all along.
Right.
So I don't think there'll be too much of an issue there.
If anybody just really wants to help us move, let me know. We got a lot of junk.
Yeah, we have a lot of stuff. It'd probably take about 3 hours to drive Johnny here, don't you think?
Probably.
Well, right over here is our pole barn, 54 by 36. We're not going to show you the inside right now, mainly because I don't have a key in my pocket.
I don't have a key either.
And there'll be plenty of chance for that in the future. Here we have a basketball court.
No basketball.
Yeah, I don't know that I'm up for a game of one-on-one right now today anyway. Nice concrete pad we can use for something. Christy, the Lord has blessed us more than we can ever imagine.
Absolutely.
We've had a very joyous marriage and great time with Catriel. She's not here today, she's still at school.
Yeah.
This is just the next step in our lives.
The next new adventure. Glad you guys can come along with us.
Yeah, keep watching. We'll have a lot of videos from this area. We've still got other videos from our other property that have yet been published, so don't get confused when you see later videos that show the old house. We just can't help but get things out in a little mixed up order once in a while.
Yeah.
But we really thank you guys for sticking with us this whole time, and hope you have a great Thanksgiving Day. And we'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. Hi folks, it's been a long time coming, but we have a big reveal today. Is my wife gonna say anything?
I was thinking of what to say. Well, we bought a new property.